Hello friends, today we're going to be simplifying and differentiating some WAEC possible and likely questions. You're welcome to easymathstutor, and here you get solutions to all your maths problems and you become a maths lover. So I want to say thank you to our valuable and wonderful subscribers. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming to Easy Maths channel. God bless you. So let's go right ahead with the question. So we have 81 raised to power 1 over 6 all over 27 raised to power minus 1 over 9. So we're supposed to simplify this problem and reduce it to its simplest format. So first of all, we're going to break down 81 and 27. We know that 81 is 9 times 9, which is 9 raised to power 2. So we'll put that in a bracket, raised to power 1 over 6. And we also know that 27 is 3 raised to power 3. We'll put that in a bracket and raised to power minus 1 over 9. And then, is there something else we need to break down in this problem? Yes, we need to break down 9. You know that 9 is 3 raised to power 2. So 3 raised to power 2 raised to power 2 is 3 raised to power 4. We'll put it in a bracket, raised to power 1 over 6. And this is all over 3 raised to power 3 times minus 1 over 9. And here we are employing the multiplication law of indices. This law states that you can multiply the powers of a number when it's in a bracket and it's outside the bracket. All right? Those numbers can be multiplied. So we're going to multiply 3 raised to power 4 times 1 over 6, giving us 3 raised to power 4 over 6. We're going to multiply 3 raised to power 3 times minus 1 over 9, which will give us 3 will cancel out, 9, 3, which will give us 3 raised to power minus 1 over 3. And so we'll also reduce the power in the numerator to 3 raised to power 2 over 3. So our answers will be 3 raised to power 2 over 3 all over 3 raised to power minus 1 over 3. And now I can see something popping up right here. The numerator and the denominator base is the same. It is 3. And because it's the same, the powers can be simplified further. And then we're going to employ the subtraction law of indices, which states that if the same numbers with different powers or the same powers divide themselves, you can subtract the powers. That is the subtraction law of indices. So it will be 3 raised to power 2 over 3 minus 1 over 3. And then remember that when you multiply minus, you end up with a plus sign. So we're going to have 3. So we'll now have 3 raised to power 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3. And that leads us to 3 raised to power 1. And we all know that means 3 raised to power 1 is equal to 3. So our final answer is 3. So our next question is to find the derivative of the function y equal to x squared all over 1 plus x. This means we're finding the y, the x, which is another way of representing a derivative of a function. Now, if you look at the function y equal to x squared all over 1 plus x, this is a quotient function, a function that looks like a fraction. So the formula for finding the derivative of this function is the y dx is equal to v du all over with respect to x minus u the v with respect to x all over v square. Now let u be the numerator function, which is x squared, and let v be the denominator function, which is 1 plus x. So we're going to differentiate each of the u and v functions separately. So we'll say du dx. We know that if we derive a function, we bring down the power in front and then we subtract by 1. So x squared will give us 2x, while the v dx will give us 1. So we're going to substitute these solutions we got into the formula for deriving quotient functions, which is called the quotient rule. The y dx is equal to v du minus u dv all over v squared. So we're going to substitute v du, u dv, and v squared into this above equation. V is known as 1 plus x, while du is 2x. We put the minus sign. U is known as x squared, while the v is known as 1. Now we're going to draw the line and we'll write v squared, which is 1 plus x, into brackets. Then we square it. So we have substituted all the functions into the formula for the quotient rule derivative. So if we simplify this, 2x times 1 gives us 2x, plus 2x times x gives us 2x squared, minus x squared, all over 1 plus x into bracket square. Now if we simplify this further, we will have this. It's supposed to be actually 2x plus x squared all over 1 plus x bracket square. So you put the plus sign there instead of the minus sign. So this is our answer, but you can still simplify it further if you want to, because we find out that the numerator also has a further simplification. So if we simplify the numerator, we will have x into bracket 2 plus x all over 1 plus x into bracket square. Remember, it's plus, not minus, okay? 2 plus x. So this gives us our final answer. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming to easymathstutor, and keep on watching us for more exciting videos on mathematics. Students,
Yes, Auntie.
what is lobotomization?
Hello.
What is lobotomization?
Lobotom. Auntie, I don't know what is lobotom.
I say, what is lobotomization? Define lobotomization.
Lobotomization is when the lobotomization Say the word again. I don't know what is lobotomization.
What do you say? Will you keep quiet?